Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will discuss how to write a simple Hello World program with the help of Go programming language. Here I have created a Go folder in my system, and after that I have opened that Go folder in VS Code. Before writing the code, let me move to extension, and from here I need to search Go, and from here you need to install this particular extension. This will make your life easier when writing code with the help of Go programming language. Now let me move here, and now I will write a simple program to print Hello World. First of all, I will create a new file here, and I will give the file name as app.go. The extension should be .go. Okay. After that, here I will write the code. First of all, let me write the code, then I will explain the meaning of each and every statement. Package main, then import fmt func main. After that, fmt dot println hello world. That's it. And to run the program, here we need to write go run app.go. Once I run this, then you can see hello world is printed in the console. Now let me explain the meaning of each and every statement which I have written here. The first statement is package main. Now in Go, every file must belong to a package. Here I have given the package name as main. Why? Because the main package is special, because it tells the Go compiler that this program is an executable. It means when we compile the Go program with package main, the executable file will be generated. After that, I have written import mft. Here mft is a package from the Go standard library. If you want to import any package, then we need to use the import keyword. This mft package is used, or it provides different functions for input output operations such as printing text to the console. After that, here I have written func main. In Go, to declare a function, we use the func keyword, and here the function name is main. Why? Because the main function is the entry point of the program. When we execute the program, then the execution starts from the main function. And to print, here I have written mft dot println, and after that inside double quotes I have written hello world. So println is nothing but a function which is provided by mft package, and inside this println function we need to pass the message which you want to print, and this message must be enclosed inside double quotes or backticks. It should not be inside single quotes. So this is the meaning of each and every statement which I have written here. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.